Hello, this is Mike with Clark County Plumbing. We are doing a pre-video inspection at 408 East 25th Street in Vancouver, Washington. I've pushed out to the city main, and I'm letting the water run out right now, and I am going to pull back to start my inspection. Right now we are currently in 4-inch concrete. Toilet paper is getting caught on the joints of the concrete sewer line. Root intrusion at 50 feet. Another root intrusion, looks like it's coming through the side wall, which means the concrete pipe is cracked at 48 feet. Roots at 42 feet. Again at 39. $36. Again at 33 feet. Major root intrusion at 30 feet and 29. Alright, we just transitioned from 4-inch concrete to 4-inch clay pipe. More roots at 26 feet. Roots at 24 feet. Roots at 19 feet. Roots at 18 feet. Roots at 11 feet. Roots at 8 feet. Major root intrusion at 7 feet. And here we are in the cast iron at the toilet flange. This completes our pre-video inspection.